Good morning student. This video is for the students of class 6 subject mathematics. Today we will start with chapter number 16 construction, in which first topic is how to construct a line segment of the given length. So today I am going to tell you how to draw a line segment of a given length. In this book, first example is given how to draw a line segment of length 3.5 centimeter. So I am also going to take the same, that how you will draw a line segment that measures exactly 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Okay, so what you need to do is first take a scale, okay, then take a compass and fix a pencil with it like this. Now you have to take 3.5 centimeter. Now how you will take? The scale is starting from here, okay, so put your needle here and open it till 3.5. okay, mine is more than 3.5. Now fix it. It is coming like this, 3.5. okay, so this is 3.5. The opening of the compass is 3.5. now suppose I have to draw it here. Put the point here, draw an arc like this. Okay, simple. Now where you have to taken the point, exactly there write the first end point or name that point, whatever you want. Suppose your line segment is AB, so from where you have started, my point is clear to me, maybe it is not clear to you in the video. It is here, exactly here, maybe you can see. It is my line segment, I will name it as AB, so it is A. okay, now I will name it as A and I will join it to the at any point on this arc. At any point you can join it here, 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 anywhere you can join it, and you will get that this will come exactly 3.5. so first what I need to do, that I will name my point as A. okay, so I have named my point as A. Now I am going to join it with the arc. okay, I have named my point A and I have joined that point A to the arc. okay, after joining it to the arc, wherever it is intersecting, I have named that point, the point of intersection of arc and the line is I have named as B. so my line segment AB is here, and which is equals to what? Which is equals to 3.5 centimeter. so write down there, I will write AB equals to 3.5 centimeter. And also you can measure it and see that you can check it, you can cross check it, that is coming exactly 3.5 or not. okay, this is what I am telling you, the basic of the construction. Might be you have gone through this type of construction in class 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to do this in your fair copy. If you want, you can practice in your rough copy or practice mass copy. You don't have to do this in your fair copy. We will start with exercises. Now I am giving you basics. When I will start exercise, from there you can write or you can draw that, you can construct that in your fair copy. okay, now my next thing is that I will tell you how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Suppose you have taken a line segment that may be 3.5, 5.5, 7.8, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, anything. So how you will find out its perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular means it will form a 90-degree angle, and bisector means it will divide the line in two equal halves. Fine. So let us move further and let me show you how to take it. Now I will take a line segment PQ that will be of 6 centimeter and I will draw the bisector of the same. Okay. Okay, I have drawn a line segment PQ that is of exactly 6 centimeter. Now I will tell you how to draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. What you need to do, first put your needle on Q, open your compass more than half. Okay, open your compass more than half. Then draw an arc above the line and draw another arc below the line. Okay, now you don't have to change the opening of the compass. You have to repeat the same step. Come on P and repeat the same steps. Okay, you will get an intersection. Repeat the same step down as well. Now join these two intersections. First this one and this one. Okay, this one and this one. When you will join these 2 points, you will get the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Okay, so this is how it is looking. We have got the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Now the intersection, the point of intersection, this we will write as O. Okay, this write as O. I am writing with my left hand, so that is why it is not coming correctly. It is O, and when you will measure from P to O, you will get it is of 3 centimeter. It is not compulsory to take like me as a line of line segment of 6 centimeter. You can take 10, even in points 4.5, 7.5, 8.6, anything that you want. Okay, fine. This is how we draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment of the given length that will be asked you in the question. Fine.